So I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be dropping some tips on how I stay productive all day, even when I don't feel like it, even when I want to get back in this bed and not be productive.
Working OT, trying to show you what it's like just to know me. Never said the day you approach me. I've been thinking about you and you only, and we just like to fuck. That's nothing else.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria Lashae. For those of you that are new, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Glad to see you here. I am going to be filming a how to be productive all day vlog style. And I'm gonna be dropping some tips on how I stay productive all day, even when I don't feel like it, even when I want to get back in this bed and not be productive. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I would love to have you here. Number one, the very first thing that I like to do to stay productive throughout my day is most definitely clean up. That's number one, because to me, I feel like I can hardly work in an environment if it's not clean. Like, it just makes me not want to do anything. So that's honestly step one. The first step is to pretty much clean up your environment, your area, and yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend and make your USDON. I get too crazy, got a little baddie now. We stay good friends, we get too ready. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your hands, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the no side. You, but I know you probably cross-eyed.
Okay guys, so I finished cleaning up. I'm actually in my living room right now. And I forgot to mention, I probably should have mentioned this a little bit more early on, but another way to stay productive all day is to actually get dressed for the day. I feel like people don't really think that much into getting dressed for the day, but instead of like just being in your pajamas, like I feel like putting clothes on, looking productive will make you feel productive. So I did that off camera. I was already dressed and ready, but that's definitely something that you should also do to like just keep yourself productive. So now that my environment is clean, thankfully, I am going to actually make me a little iced coffee. Now, another tip that I would say you should use to like stay productive is to kind of reward yourself, not after every single task that you do, but for the most part, like, you know, for ones that you're struggling with, or maybe if you're starting to feel a little bit tired, you can just say, I'm gonna reward myself with this after this task is done. So I cleaned up and it is now, what time is it? It's 9:18 right now. And I think I'm going to reward myself with a little coffee to get me really through the day.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the group tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned. I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250.
Okay, y'all, so the coffee is made, and now the next thing I'm gonna do to keep myself motivated and productive is to make a to-do list, y'all. Yes, I really need to make a to-do list so I can know what all I have to do, obviously, and so I don't lose track of being productive and forget what I need to do. Like, that's definitely a necessity, is making a to-do list. So I'm about to go get me a pen and paper and just figure out what I need to do for the day. So I have finished my little to-do list. It's a little bright, but I'll read you off what I put. I put 30 minutes towards an at-home side hustle, and I have a lot of side hustles that I'm actually trying to do right now. We'll see. I'm just trying to figure out which ones, like, bring the most attraction, I guess, and like which ones I enjoy doing the most. I really enjoy all of them, so it's really hard to pick. But yeah, 30 minutes towards an at-home side hustle. The other thing I need to do is update my calendar. It still says August right now, and we're obviously in September, so I need to update that. And then I also need to eat lunch. I put this on my to-do list because I promise you, I know I'm not the only one that literally will not eat. Like, I'll forget to eat, and or I'll just wait to eat, and then I end up not eating. So I want to go eat some lunch, definitely. And so that is going to be something that I do. Also, I put on here to read. I need to read. I think I saw something that said you should be reading like 10 pages a day at least. So I am almost done with one of my Colleen Hoover books. So I don't know if I'll finish it though. I think I got like 60 or 70 pages left. Last thing I have on here is at least 4 hours towards my other side hustle, which actually just happens to be DoorDash and Instacart. So I definitely want to get that done. I might cut the video off there because technically this video is supposed to be how to be productive at home and not really outside of home. Plus, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing that for a hot minute until my boyfriend gets off work. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Also, keep in mind that with this to-do list, you can add stuff, you can take stuff off. Like, it really doesn't, you don't really have to follow this. Like, if I feel like I can't follow this, I won't. Or if I like don't want to do something, I might not do it. Like, obviously do the important things, of course, but if it's just like like, you know, not that important, then, you know, just skip it. You can add it on to tomorrow's to-do list and you can keep going. Watching The Ultimatum. Have y'all watched The Ultimatum? If you haven't, oh wait, no, this isn't The Ultimatum, I'm tripping. This is Love is Blind. This is Love is Blind. If y'all haven't seen the Love is Blind, bro, go watch it.
Kindness, even when I was in adversity, even when I was uncertain and I didn't know what I wanted.
This is what you do.
What?
This is what you do.
What?
Yeah, I'm upstairs now, and I know y'all probably, if you're like OG subscriber and you watch all my videos, you know that I've done a loft tour of this apartment, but I don't really talk that much about it. And let me just tell y'all, I really love this place. It's small, and me and my boyfriend both live here, so that's definitely challenging sometimes, but for the most part, I love it. It literally makes me feel like I'm in a cave. Like, I got the lights off, and I'm about to, let me show y'all. I already mentioned that I was reading it in a Colleen Hoover book, but the book is called It Ends With Us. I know most of y'all already know this book, probably have read it a long time ago, but I be busy, so I don't read often. And so I think I got this book last Christmas, like probably a year ago. And I don't know, I think I started it the same day I got it, but then I took a long break from it. And I've just been reading it like here and there, but I want to read every single day now, so hopefully I can read my books faster. But I'm on page like 306 out of 360 something pages. So yeah, I'm gonna read this a little bit, and yeah. Okay, y'all, turned the lights back on. I almost fell asleep reading that book, honestly. Like, man, I would have knocked out. But yeah, so now that my reading is done, the next thing I'm going to do is do my little 30 minutes towards my at-home side hustle. Okay, y'all, so I haven't really talked about this that much. I'm trying to debate if I want to or not, honestly. I feel like I've done little hints on my channel about it, but I haven't really like for real talked about it. I guess I'll talk about it a little bit. So y'all seen in like my little side hustle video, I was making bracelets, or not side hustle, it was my hobbies video. I think it was in that new hobby, or like doing new hobbies video. I was making some bracelets, and so I made quite a few bracelets, and now I kind of am thinking about like trying to sell them for real. At first I initially just wanted to do them for myself because I wanted the beaded bracelets, but I don't know, I feel like those bracelets are kind of like selling and they look good, so like if people were to buy them, I would be happy to make them. It's just that I don't want to get my hopes up, because I've done that before, making different products and trying to sell them, Etsy shop, like I've done all that, and I get obviously very discouraged and let down when I don't make sales for real, or like make a lot of sales. So yeah, I'm just kind of doing this low-key. I'm not really putting too much thought and effort into it, and I just work on it when I can, because I don't, like I said, I don't want to get my hopes up. So I'm about to work on that a little bit, working on a website. And y'all, don't laugh at me, but my uncle gave me this Dell laptop because me and my boyfriend sold our MacBook that we had, because honestly it was like really slow and it was an older version anyways, and we cannot buy a new one right now. So he loaned me this laptop. Well, actually he gave me this laptop, thank you to him. And so this is what I'm gonna be working on, so don't laugh at me because it is pretty old, y'all, but it works and it is what it is right now. So yeah, let's get to being productive, and I'm honestly going to reward myself with I'm trying to debate, should I reward myself with lunch? What time is it? It's like 10. Oh, it's only 10:05. I thought it was later than that. So 30 minutes would be 10:30 if I worked on this for 30 minutes. I know me, I might be trying to work on this for longer than that. Knowing me, that's just how I am. Like, but I probably am going to reward myself with lunch, which will then take another thing off my to-do list. And so yeah, so I think I'm gonna work on this for probably 30 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. So you guys, I am back. It is, y'all can't really see this that good because my wallpaper is kind of in the way, but it is 11:24. 11:24, I'm pretty sure I started this at 10. So it definitely took me longer than 30 minutes like I thought it would. I got semi-far, but I was reaching some roadblocks, which was kind of making me take longer and stressing me out. But I was trying to make a logo for my website, and I came up with one that I think I like, but now I'm pretty much just building the website, which is a process in itself. So that's what we're doing, but I think I'm at a good stopping point. I won't show y'all it right now. Obviously, eventually I will show you guys, but right now I think I have earned some food. I don't know where I'm gonna go. I don't know if I want Subway, like a sandwich or something, but I just know that I'm about to go eat. And I also think I'm going to go ahead and end this video. All the tips that I mentioned today to keep yourself productive throughout the day. Remember that you can add and take off things on your to-do list. Also, don't forget to reward yourself. Take breaks and make sure that you are keeping yourself mentally sane as you're trying to be productive, because that can be very hard. Because obviously you just want to get stuff done and you're not really trying to take too many breaks or whatever. But it is very, very important, and I had to learn that the hard way. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned for my next video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Working OT, trying to show you what it's like to know me. Never since that day you approached me, I've been thinking about you and you only.